So yesterday we looked at solving systems of equations by graphing, and when we were doing that, we graphed by hand. Okay, so today I want to show you how you can use an app called Desmos to help you graph these equations and find the solution of a system of equations. If you do not already have Desmos downloaded to your iPad, you can go to self-service, and if you search for Desmos, you're going to see a couple things pop up. You're going to want this Desmos graphing calculator that's green that has the two little graphs right there. That is the Desmos calculator that I'm going to be using. You will also have this Desmos calculator available on part of your Math 1 EOC, so it will be helpful to go ahead and get acquainted with it. So when you open up Desmos, you're going to see your coordinate plane here, and then on the left-hand side of your screen, you're going to see places where you can begin to type, okay? So let's say we wanted to solve the following system of equation. So we have y equals 2x plus 2, okay? And we have y equals x minus 1. Okay, so all you're doing is you're using x and y over here on the left hand side of your screen, and you're using your numbers just to plug in any coefficients or constants that you have. So here what Desmos does is it graphs both of the lines for us, and it graphs it in different colors. So we can see my top equation is the red line, okay, and so I can double check. From this equation right here, I'm going to hide this one real quick. From this equation, we know that our y-intercept is a positive 2, which is correct, and our slope is also 2, so it's gone up 2 over 2, okay? For our blue equation, it says that our y-intercept is at -1, and that is true, okay? And then our slope is just 1, so it goes up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and that's going to keep on and keep on. So again, when we are trying to solve a system of equations by graphing, we are looking for the point of intersection for the two graphs. So where do the two graphs meet? Where do they intersect? The good thing about Desmos is if you can see where it is, you can see they put a little point here. You can click on that and it will tell you what your point of intersection is. So here, these two equations, they have a solution of -3, -4, okay? And so again, all you have to do is click on that dot and it will automatically give you your answer, okay? So now here's the great thing. Yesterday when we were solving by graphing, in order to graph by hand, you had to solve each equation and put it in slope-intercept form. So we had to put it in y equals mx plus b form. With Desmos, you do not have to do that step. So let's say I have the equation 3x minus 4y equals 12. I can type that in without putting it in slope-intercept form, and it will still give me my graph, okay? So then let's say I had a second equation, and it's 2x plus y equals 8. I just type that in. Again, it graphs for me. If you need to, you can zoom in and zoom out of your graph just using your fingers like you normally would on your iPad. And if you ever get anything like super crazy and you're like, oh my gosh, I went too far, you can just press this home button on the right hand side of your screen to take it back. So here again, we're looking for the point of intersection. We're saying, where do these two lines intersect? And so right here, they intersect at 4, 0. So that is the solution to our system of equations.